Located in the heart of Beverly Hills is MD Periodontics, which boasts the extraordinary dental, implant, and periodontic skills of husband and wife team Dr. Abdi Mushrefi and Dr. Nazanin Danishmand.
80% of people have some form of periodontal disease. For the most part, those patients don't even know that they have it. Because periodontal disease is for the most part chronic, it doesn't become symptomatic until its later stages. It really behooves anybody, whether they suspect or not of having periodontal disease, to come in for an examination.
Periodontal disease is a disease of plaque. With all of our patients, we establish a relationship, which I think is very nice.
I've known both Abby and Nazi for about 10 years. They are the best.
As board-certified specialists with high degrees of training in the areas of implant and periodontics, they take pride in their work and love the satisfaction of helping people feel great about their appearance.
It makes us feel wonderful when our patients are able to smile and have their confidence back.
The results made me feel good about myself because it did boost my self-esteem.
I can smile more.
I had no pain afterwards. I went home, relaxed, a couple hours after the surgery, and then back to normal.
The skilled doctors deliver dynamic results.
Here's the before and after of a procedure called oral rejuvenation. It's a procedure where we can lighten the gums. The second case you're looking at is an implant rehabilitation case, which restored not only their chewing function, but their smile. This patient had gingival recontouring done along with crown elongation to correct a gummy smile. This case is soft tissue grafting used to cover up exposed roots.
When I came in, I was in pain, concerned, very nervous, and I left a different person.
When it comes to the health of your teeth and gums, it is important that the procedural environment is sterile, and your dentist has been thoroughly trained in the areas of implant and periodontal surgery.
It's very important for any individual when they want to see any healthcare practitioner to look into their background, see what type of education they've had, where they've gone to school.
I did my dental school at the University of Southern California. I continued on from there to the advanced specialty program in periodontics.
I always loved surgery, so I wanted to go into periodontics ever since I started dental school.
Doctors Mushrefi and Danishmand take great care to be totally accessible to their patients.
We make ourselves available before, during, and after treatment for anything that the patient would need.
Within hours after I got home from the procedure, Dr. Mushrefi was on the phone to make sure I was all right. They really care about their patients.
I want them to have a sincere sense of comfort with us. There's always music in the background. There's aromatherapy, scented oils that we have on constantly. So I really try to take them mentally away from where they are physically.
For those busy execs, the facility is open 6 days a week with nights and weekend appointments available.
I do work from Monday to Friday, and it's hard to get off work, to come to the dentist.
We have a wide array of clientele who are very busy. We accommodate them as best as we can according to their schedule.
And the doctors are on call 24/7. The quality of service is impeccable. The results remarkable.
I would highly recommend the doctors to other people, and in fact, I've already done so.
I give them the best doctor award.